niguo gutigirira thuguri ni yagacira guothe bururi-ini. Riu thirikari ya Kenya ni nyitanire na thirikari ya Israel kuria itanyitwo kuhingura honge ingi igiri guku bururi-ini na iria igukorwo embassy-ini ya Kenya na bururi wa Ghana.
Economics is to boost the relations, economic relations, trade relations between the country, share experiences in the business, in the high tech. So we have, well, of course, cyber. We have delegations coming to Israel to learn. We have experts coming to train Kenyans to work there.
Kuringana na faruthi wa Israel guku bururi-ini David Eyal, aigite mubango uyu wa unyitaniri ni uguteithiriria mabururi maya meeri hari kugacirithia biacara kuria ongereire ati ona mabururi kuma irathiro na ithũĩro ria Afrika no megukuruhanio mubango-ini uyu.
It will have to wait, unfortunately, but we are very eager and looking forward to have these direct flights from Kenya to Israel. It will be a great boost to the relations that we have on the government level, but especially on the people level. More tourism, more pilgrims coming to Israel.
Oho Eyal ni ongereire ati ruhonge rwa ukui guku bururi-ini Kenya Airways ni rutanyitwo kuruguria mubango wa ndege gukinya muciĩ-ini wa Tel Aviv bururi-ini wa Israel gukinyaniria mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu, undu uria uguteithiriria hanene thuguri gatagati-ini ka mabururi maya meeri.
Young men, as you studied diplomacy, I don't think that Eyal is here only for diplomacy. He's here to do business. Young men, as you studied diplomacy, I don't think that Eyal is here only for diplomacy. He's here to do business.
Ugukiri uguo murugamiriri munene university-ini wa Ziteko wa Ruiru Professor Jenga ni uritie arutwo aria marathomera mathomo ma biacara gutigirira ni manyitanira mubango-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro gitauri tore kono Wangui wa Wanjiku.